So if you are just replacing the sump pump itself, you already have the basin. We do a combo system. We do a 3/4 horse main with a third backup pump, battery, charger, and everything. You're looking right at $2,500. The factors that affect the sump pump replacement cost is either the sump pump is not functioning correctly anymore, or the battery backup you have is not functioning correctly anymore, and you want to upgrade it to make sure that your basement is safe and dry. The other replacement is if you are adding waterproofing to an existing pump, you want to upgrade it to a pump that can handle the amount of water that you're about to give to that basin and pump itself. When you are looking for a sump pump replacement, or you're looking for something for waterproofing, it's very important that you hire the right people and the right qualified people. With that, if you replace a sump pump with KC Pier, it comes with a 5-year warranty, and that covers everything. With the sump pump replacement, you also get 1 year of maintenance with the pump itself. So we come out twice within the first year of it being installed, and we clean the basin, we clean the sump pumps, we make sure the discharges are functioning correctly. If all that stays up, then your sump pump lasts longer. And if it lasts longer, it saves you money in the long run.